I think it's a quite fascinating fact that we can be felt by things we care so little about. Like even a strand of grass, a little bug, a little bird has life flowing through them, and if everything that has life has the ability to feel,
what would you say if I called you up and kept no words at bay? And what would you feel if I wrote it down and those words were real? Because I saw you fall and then I saw you closer. Oh, tell me you'll turn back, tell me you'll turn back, you'll turn back. Oh, it was right there. Oh, it was right there. And oh, it was right there. And you didn't take it, did you dare? Some words from me mean a lot, don't take them lightly. And some words from you